it's been like 2 hours since the time we went to bed, and now we're up. We are gonna do a walking slash biking slash ano nga yung pangalan nyo?
Chikay.
Si Chikay slash jogging sesh. It is ideal al-Fitr. It is a holiday. So it means holiday means no work. Papakita namin sa inyo na we are just a heartbeat away from the Bonifacio Global City. Pupunta natin is sa Greenway. Doon tayo magja-jog. So, Eid al-Fitr is actually the festival of breaking the fast, which is a religious holiday celebrated by our Muslim brothers worldwide, and that marks the end of the month-long dawn to sunset fasting of Ramadan. So we would like to greet all our Muslim brothers and sisters. Eid Mubarak. Hi. Now we've reached the main road. Parang 5 minutes walk lang. So we're actually at the corner of Makati where it intersects with BGC. Wow, hello sunshine. Hi, good morning. The city is busy now. Kala namin wala pang masyadong tao. Buhay na yung Tiangge. Ayan. Isda. This is where we can buy fresh fruits and vegetables and meat in the morning.
Morning.
Good morning, Kuya! Ah, the people are so cute, huh? Yeah, I can hear the birds. Very beautiful garden. I've been working here at BGC since 2018 up to now. So yung dati kong workplace is at McKinley. So that's like a further part of Taguig. Hello! Good morning! We're officially here, and it's very funny if you can hear the sounds. I don't know what that is. I don't know where that comes from, but it sure comes from the insects around. Woo! Ngayon lang ako nainitan. Sabi ni Kevin, para akong maputla. Because I don't get that much of sunshine. And right now, I'm splurging in kahit 1 hour lang for this sunshine na safe pa sa balat.
Kuto-kuto ang tuhod.
And now he's on his track. So what usually happens pag nagjo-jogging kami, he has his own ways, I have my own ways. I don't do much of a jogging kasi I don't know, nagkaka-red spots ako sa binti. Buti na nga lang nawala. Pero if you might notice, yan. lumalabas sila pag nahahanginan. And sobrang Makati. So, I do settle in walking and just brisk walking, but not running. Ayok. Enjoy. Oh. Hello. Good morning. Cute. Dog alert. Dog number 3. Ganyan kahaba or kalayo na yung nalakad natin. So far, as of 6:45 a.m., I already took 3,511 steps out of my target of 6,000. 36 minutes straight active time of walking. I think the phone has detected that I've been just walking. So we have these Greenway Park restrictions. Number 1, kids bike with side wheels allowed. No biking for adults. So that explains. So that answers my question though. No skateboarding, no scooter. And when you bring your dogs with you, keep them on leash. So there's Kevin. Hi. Hope you're doing good, buddy. Hi. Ming. Ming. Oh. Oh, hello. So there, mag-U-turn lang tayo. This is where the office is currently located. Nandyan siya. Nakatago sa likod. And dito sa right is going to McKinley. So, andyan yung Venice Grand Canal, Venice Mall, andyan siya. And then when you take this direction, lalabas ka dyan ng EDSA. Magko-cross ka lang and you're in Ayala already. That's already Makati CBD. But you're doing a great job.
Ikaw din.
Yeah. Alam mo ba, na-detect ng phone ko, kanina pa ha, I have 36 minutes of activity na. Straight yun.
So, alam mo ba?
Out of my...
Sorry for, pwede tayo mag-badminton if ever may badminton tayo dito.
Yeah,
ay, may solid yung bangon natin sa mga...
Very. And guys, take note, it's not even 7 a.m. yet.
Anong oras ba?
I think it's 6:40.
Oo.
Ang dami na nating nagawa.
Tsaka yung mga tao dito parang parang healthy lifestyle sila eh. Nakaka-inspire din.
Para siyang...
Tingnan mo, fit na nga ako eh.
Yeah. How was the experience?
Okay lang. Maganda sa pakiramdam. Sarap.
Okay lang kahit walang tulog?
Meron naman tulog. Kaso lang, konti lang. Mga 3 hours lang yung tulog natin. Tintin.
There's the chipmunk.
Alvin.
Nakita niyo ba?
Alvin. Kita. Amping. Nilang.
Nilang.
Now it's Kevin's turn. Papunta kami doon. There's the Mind Museum. There are a lot of people coming here with their dogs. Some do sit lang dyan sa bench and tambay-tambay lang. And as you can see, ang ganda ng sculpture or etong dito sa likod ko. It's so nice, right? And around, this is actually the center of where the business district of Bonifacio Global City is. So, para siyang mini park, but around it are actually like very, very tall buildings. Some are residential condominiums, some are offices, some are not really sure if may mga hotels. Tapos sa baba, may mga for dine-in na mga restaurants, coffee shops. It's basically just heaven and paradise here in the city.
Saka mga bangko dito.
Yeah, there are also banks here. And so, we're ending the vlog happily and heartily and whatever really. we're just so pumped up and so happy that we're here.
Nakapagpapawis na din. Saka,
yeah.
masarap sa feeling na nakagising ng maaga tapos nakapag-jogging tapos seeing the nature. Sobrang ganda.
Tingnan mo, namumula na ako for the first time ha, kasi ngayon lang ako nakaranas ng Mr. Sunshine and it's so nice to feel.
Tsaka vitamins, no?
Vitamins, yep.
Oo. So,
and with that, we would like to thank you for hanging out with us in our morning jogging sesh. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Hit that notification bell.
Like and subscribe to our channel and be part of our family, and comment down below for any suggestion or any comments that you have. Hope everyone is going to enjoy their holidays as well. Holiday. Isang holiday lang pala. And ingat kayo. Stay safe.
Stay safe. God bless.
God bless. This is Che and Kevin saying goodbye and see you in our next vlog. Bye!